So today I'm going to a party and I need to do my hair and my makeup and everything. I gotta get cute. I haven't gotten cute in a long time, so today is the day. First, I'm going to gel back my edges and I'm gonna use this edge gel. I only need a little bit because it's really not a lot sticking out. Okay, I'm gonna just brush it in. Ordered this wig from Megalook hair, and this is what the wig is supposed to look like straight out the box. This is the packaging to the wig. The wig, and here's the goodies that come inside. And it says, "Be yourself, be mega, megalook.com." This is a cute little box, I must say. So yeah, packaging. You get some eyelashes. Look like this. Edge brush. Melting band and wig caps. Oh, and this cute little pen. So here's a wig. It's supposed to come pre-everything, and it's supposed to be a very thick wig. I'm saying like 200, 250 density. The knots are supposed to be bleached. The front of the hairline is supposed to be plucked. Like, it's supposed to be ready to wear. Here are the curls. Let's take it out of the packet. This is a large closure. And this is the hairline. I feel like I do want to go in and do a little bit more plucking just to make it look a little bit more natural. Maybe, maybe not. This is the inside of the cap. You can tell that the knots were bleached because it's a little brassy. It does come with combs and adjustable straps. It does have an elastic band here as well where you can adjust. Again, I'm about to show you the picture that the wig is supposed to look like. Okay, so I was trying to decide if I wanted to melt my cap, and honestly, I really don't. I don't know which product that I've been using, but I've been getting chemical burns on the side of my face, and yeah. So I'm just trying not to use so many different products and not melting my cap. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put the makeup on the elastic band and make it as dark as I can. This is a 5x6 lace closure wig, and this is 26 inches. You can't tell because of the curls, but it does stretch. It doesn't have any smell. It just smells like hair, and the hair is very, very, very soft. This is what she looks like straight out V-pad. I'm gonna go in with some of my Ruby Kisses, and I'm gonna tint the lace back. Okay, so because I am going to a party today and I'm gonna be out all day, I am going, you see him? I am going to melt this down. You could stop right here and just comb out the curls and you'll be fine. But for me, I definitely want to melt this down. But as you can see, it looks so good, so good. And that's the lace. Also, completely glueless. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Red by Kiss Lace Bond Spray. This is my favorite one to use, and I'm gonna spray underneath and I'm gonna blow dry it down until it get tacky, and then I'm gonna go in with my bow hold to put down the edges, because I feel like when I use adhesive spray, my edges don't lay down as long enough that I like. So I need to go in with a little bit of this, like the tiniest amount, and lay it down so it could look as seamless as possible. And then so you can see like some of the laces lifting up, so I'm going to take a little bit of that glue in.
On the beat.
So the lace on this wig was very thin. This is probably one of the best lace wigs that I had, well, closure wigs that I've had in a long time. And the hair quality as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that as well. So I'm just going to go in and lay my baby hairs down because, of course, I'm going to have some baby hairs. And I wanted them to have a little razzle dazzle because I am going to a repast. That's kind of like a party. I mean, my friend passed away. She didn't want a funeral, so she wanted us to throw a party. So that's what we did for her. But yeah, so I just wanted to do my baby hairs and I wanted to be cute and, you know, celebrate her life.
On the beat.
Okay, let me explain something to you guys. I had this wig on since Friday. I had to go to a repass, okay? And today is Sunday, so that's why my baby hairs is different. But I didn't finish the video, so I wanted to come back and finish the video for you guys. So you guys can see what she's looking like even after of a couple of days of me wearing it. The curls are still in. The curls are still in, friends. My lace, it looks cool, but it was better on Friday. It was definitely better on Friday. I sound a little congested and stuffy because I think I'm coming down with a cold, but I love this hair. The density is super thick. It's 26 inches and it's layered to perfection. It's so much hair in this. Like I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna wand it. Look. Wand is right here. I'm going to wand this hair because I'm about to take it off so I can put it back on tomorrow. And I'm in love. Like, it's giving everything that the picture shown. All right, it comes ready to wear, so you don't have to do anything. The lace is big. It comes with adjustable strap. I do have a big head, so it's definitely big head friendly, friend. I am a 22.5, 23, give or take on how my hair is underneath. My hair is actually in braids, so it's pretty good right now. But I'm about to show you what she looks like. I'm gonna back out so you guys can see what the hair looks like on me and where it hits. And yes, if you guys are interested in this wig, I will definitely leave all the information down below in the description box for you. Make sure you check that out. If you have any questions or concerns about this unit, please also leave it down below in the comment section. I'll be back. Let me know if you want to see how I maintain my wigs, an updated version, and me restyling this wig and installing it again, because yes, this is a keeper. I am loving her. Yes, I am definitely loving her. This is giving me my 2019 vibes, how I used to wear my hair in 2019, and then I started getting into like my wider wave textures. But yes, let's finish this video up. Okay, so this is the wig after I took it off and washed it. So I did wand it, and this is what the hairline looks like. And I'm going to show you guys the wig on me. Now, I did cut it a little bit shorter because I wanted it to have the fuller look. So I did cut it a little shorter because I did want the look of the picture that they have on their website. So if you do want that fullness of that picture, don't get a 26 inch. Go ahead and get something like a 22 or a 24, because once you wand it, it's going to shrink up. But once you pull it, it'll go down. It'll be the length that you want it to be, okay? So I did cut mine a little bit more so I can have it more full, and it looked like a curl fro. But yes, I am in love with this hair. And for me having it on and off for about 2 weeks, did I get any shedding? My initial comb out after combing the curls out from wearing them, I did get a little bit of shedding, but it's nothing too alarming. After that, I did go in with my silicone mix. When I did wash this hair, I washed it twice. The hair is still soft, and you definitely want to make sure that you are conditioning your hair, deep conditioning your hair, because of the fact that you are putting heat in it. And even if you're not putting heat in it, you definitely want to condition your hair. It'll just let your wigs last longer. The longevity will just be so much better for you guys, okay? So I will leave all of those products that I use down below in the description box for you guys, and also the wig will be down below in the description box as well. I love this wig because it's easy to throw on and off because it is a glueless wig, but you know me, I like to use some type of adhesive just to make sure that mine stay down. You don't have to do the same, okay? But until next time, bye best friends.